Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix text name or booth name isn't showing on booth in Please Donate. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. As you can see, when I try to edit the booth and enter the booth text or name, it's not showing on the booth. Here is what you need to do. First of all, close the game and open your browser. You cannot do this inside the Roblox app. Visit roblox.com and log in using your credentials. And then click on the gear icon on the upper right corner and select Settings. In the settings, click on the privacy and content restrictions on the left, and then on the right side, select communication. Then select experienced chat. Under this, make sure experienced chat option is set to on. After that, head back to game and then locate unclaimed booth and press and hold E, and then press and hold E again to get edit booth menu. In the text field, type your booth name, and this time it should appear for sure. You need to keep in mind that if you have already added text in this field, clear it and type it again. You can also press refresh button as well. And that's it. This is how to fix this issue. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.